guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. Today we're going to be making salmon cakes, and you can use whatever brand of salmon you like, but for me I'm going to be using the Tulip brand of salmon. So I have 2 cans and I'm going to empty them into my bowl, and I like to keep some of the liquid from the salmon, but if you want to discard all of it, you can do so, but I like to leave just a little bit in. So first I like to start by removing the bones. The bones are soft enough to eat, but I just prefer to take the bones out, and I remove some of the skin as well. So I'm going to take the rest of the bones off of this, and I'll be back. Alright guys, now that I removed all those bones and some of that extra skin off my salmon, I'm going to go in and put 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs, a half of green pepper, and a half of a medium onion. I'm going to add in there. I also have a half a cup of breadcrumbs, and I have some seasoning. Now in this seasoning I have garlic, onion powder, crab seasoning, creole seasoning, and a little paprika. And I'm going to pour all that in. And I will leave the measurements to this inside of the description. So now what you want to do is mix all of this together. I'm going to add some black pepper to this. And that's about a teaspoonful of black pepper as well. And I'm going to mix all of this together. I'm going to squeeze the juice of half of a lemon inside. And I'm going to mix that up. Now that I have all this mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and start making my patties. You can go ahead and grab some and make your patties, but I'm going to go in with a measuring cup so that way all of them will be the same size. And I have 1/4 of a cup, so I'm just going to make my patties using 1/4 of a cup. And they make patties that look like this. And that's pretty good size for me. And I have a plate off to the side, and I'm just going to set my patties off to on my plate off to the side. So I'm going to continue to make my patties, and I'll come back when I'm all finished. Alright guys, so I'm finished making my patties. I have 11 patties here. So I'm going to take these over to the stove to fry them up. Alright guys, so I have 2 tablespoons of butter browning, and I have 2 tablespoons of canola oil. So I'm going to go and put my patties in, start browning. These aren't really going to take long to cook, so you want to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown. So you want to set this on like a medium low heat, that way they're cooking through slowly, because if you put your pan up too high, they're going to burn they're going to burn on the outside, and they're not going to be fully cooked in the middle. Alright guys, so it's been about 4 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. And as you can see, it's a nice golden color. So I'm going to go and flip all these over. So you want to let these go for another 4 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 4 minutes, so let me check the bottom. And as you can see, that bottom is nice and golden brown. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and drain them on a paper towel. I'm going to add in a little bit more butter. And I'm going to fry up my last batch. So we're going to cook these up for 4 minutes on both sides. And I'm going to plate these up to let you guys see what it looks like in the end. Alright guys, so I plated up our salmon cakes and I just cut up some wedges of lemon and stuck them around the plate along with some parsley that I roughly chopped. But this is it guys, this is how I make my salmon cakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to drop a like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!